Hello guys, welcome to tip of the day. Today's tip is iMessage feature. Let's go and check it out. By clicking on Messages app, we are into Messages app, and by clicking on New Message, and now we are going to type a contact detail. And tapping on the message section, text section, and moving to sticker pack, you can see some default animated stickers or some messages over here, and we can even type and search our favorite category. And now I'm going to send some default message. Yeah, we can even comment or type a text over there. That's very cool and really easy to send. And we can even send a YouTube link through message directly from YouTube. I'm searching regarding the Apple phone guide for the latest X. You can also write a text or comment over here. You can send along the link. This is a very cool feature. Yeah, now we are going to check some new effects in iMessages, and now I'm going to text some message, and by holding blue arrow we are moved to effect screen. By default we are on a bubble screen, and we don't have any new changes compared to the previous version, and I'm shifting to screen sector. We can see some whole screen animation. Bulk of messages moving around the screen has a very good look, and it has a very good feel. This effect is not only meant for the text messages but also meant for the emojis also, and the emojis, by using emojis we can have a good feel, and actually it's very funny. I like this effect. Yeah, it's very good looking and has a very good feel. I'm sending this. Wow. Yeah, we can scroll to right. You can see some spotlight mode over here, like an intro card in the James Bond movies, and that's very cool and very dynamic. I'm sending this mode as a message. Yeah, that's very good. I like this effect.
Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.